Hi, a very good day to my industrial supervisor Anji Abdul Rahim bin Hussein and my faculty supervisor Anji Fairuz bin Dimin. I'm Kavisha Tyagaraja from University Technical Malaysia Melaka and I'm doing diploma in manufacturing engineering. I would like to present about my industrial training today. So let's see about the introduction. Okay, as a final year student, DMFU 3368 Industrial Training is a graduate subject for the diploma student. It is compulsory to complete this subject. Industrial training is a phase for the students to go through the actual workplace and gain more valuable experience for their future career. Moreover, it gives an opportunity for the students to apply the theories and practices that have been learned in the classroom in the actual workplace or during this industrial training. Other than that, it also gives more chances to practice and implement soft skills that we learned and we have do in lab sections. Last but not least, it helped to prepare themselves to challenging working life because as we know, working life is there's a huge difference between working life and university life. In university, we just learned the theories and we just did few projects for practice, but in the working life we need to apply the practice and the theories during the working life. So let's say about the industry background. My industry name is Fujilam Industries Sdn Bhd and this is the photo of my company. Fujilam is a fluorescent lamp manufacturing factory in Malaysia, which was located at Pasir Mas, Kelantan, and it was founded on 1989. After that, developed into leading fluorescent lamp factory in Malaysia was increased, and Fujilam became at the leading point. There are various kind of fluorescent lamp they manufacture. The major products are fluorescent street lamp, circular lamp, fluorescent starter, compact fluorescent lamp, indication bulb, lamp fitting. So these are the major products that have been manufactured in the Fujilam factory. So after the technologies and the new modern life have arrived or have changed everything, fluorescent lamp usage also become decreasing. So the Fujilam factory started to manufacture LED lights where they bought the material from the China and they will assemble the LED lights at Fujilam. So some of the new products they have been assembled here are LED bulbs, LED fitting light, downlight, floodlight, and many others. Okay, training activities. The tasks and job that I have done throughout the 16 weeks of industrial training are assemble LED lights, quality check control, and I also did a mini project. Okay. This is some of the pictures that I have learned. This is assemble of LED lights. This is how they will assemble the LED lights. They will insert after solder the wires on the LED modules, clean the LED modules, remove the oil stain. They will insert the LED modules inside the cap. After that, they will insert the cover. Then they will punching it in punching machine. Then they will test the bulb, and after that send it to aging section, and then lastly they will pack the bulbs. So this is LED G45 bulb. This is red color, this is blue color, this is daylight, and this is warm white citrus LED bulbs. There are more other colors like yellow, green, cool, and more others. So next, this is normal LED bulbs. This one I assemble 15 watt LED bulbs. This one is a kind different, where we need to apply grease on the bottom of LED modules. Then we will stick the LED modules into the cone by screw it up using the machine. So this is already fixed LED modules to the cone. This is LED fitting light. LED fitting light use a plastic LED tube. Okay, this one I did a double-sided LED tube, where we need to insert two different LED plates or same plates. So this one I insert daylight and warm white LED plates. After insert the LED plates, we send to insert the caps on the one of the hole at the LED tube, and then it was sent to solder the capacitor and another cap that have been chopped our Fujilam name. So after insert all the capacitor inside the LED tube, it was sent to testing section, and lastly it was sent to a packaging section to pack the LED fitting lights into the boxes of plastics. This one is LED downlight. LED downlights has the same method as LED bulbs. So we apply grease to the LED module, screw up the LED modules in plate, screw up the glass and plastic cover on the top of the plate, insert spring, aging, and lastly packing the bulb, the LED downlight. Okay. The next activity that I did is quality check control, where I need to check all the bulbs whether it's working or not. If it's not working, I need to open the cover and check back all the module. If got oil stain, I need to remove the oil stain and test back it. If got a capacitor that was came out from the LED module, we need to solder back it or anything. So there are various of different power of LED bulbs, 9 watt, 15 watt, 12 watt, 20 watt, 18 watt, 25 watt, 30 watt, 40 watt, 50 watt, 60 watt. So this is how I clean the oil stain on the LED modules, and this is how we packing the LED bulbs after check the quality of the LED bulbs. So this one is a different problem, where we need to changing the wires. The previous wire was very hard, and it came out from the LED modules, and it is not connected to LED modules. So we pull out the old wires and fixed it with a new soft wires. And this is testing section, which is important for quality check control. This one is downlight, also same like the LED previous LED downlight. We need to open back everything and check back whether it's okay or not, then packing back it. So this one is we insert spring because China sent us LED ceiling panel without insert the spring, so we need to insert the spring, as customer did not know how to insert it. Okay, so now I'm going to explain about the mini project that had been done. On the week 8, 17 December, I was assigned to do a mini project. The mini project title is design a stock card and arrange the materials according to its shelf. So this is the problem statement that I found before doing the stock card. There are a lot of new materials and stocks that did not arrange according to its place, and it was mixed up with the old and rejected materials. So they could not differentiate and find the old one and new materials. Beside that, the quantity of in-out materials are not noted correctly and accurately. And moreover, previous stock cards have many errors that need to be fixed. So as a solution, we were asked to do a stock card to note the details of the materials. Moreover, we needed to arrange the stock card according to its rack and shelf. So we designed a new stock card where there are 3 tables in a vertical form and 6 tables in a horizontal form. The details that we have included is description, rack, shelf, number, date, quantity in out of materials, balance, and received by. Okay, this is the stock card. So here we can see the description, rack, shelf, number, date, quantity of in out, balance, and also received by. So this is the stock card that we have done and we have designed, and this stock card have been approved by our industrial supervisor. We are 3 in a group, so we took 2 rack for each. So altogether there was 6 rack, and each rack has 3 shelf, which is A, B, C. On the top is A, on the middle is B, and the down part is C. Overall, as a conclusion, industrial training is a good program for all the students to increase their knowledge and skills for their future career. Besides that, it also helps us to develop our skills and gain more new skills and knowledge, experience, and more. From this, during this industrial training, I have learned a lot of new things that I think will be it will be very useful for my future career as an engineer. I learned how to install the LED lights in a proper and accurate way. I learned how to soldering. I learned how to do a quality check control work. I learned how to identify a problem and fix it in a proper way. And also I learned how to communicate in a polite way with the employers and management staff. In the 16 weeks of industrial training, I had enough time to learn and train myself in new knowledge and skills to continue my path as a future engineer. I hope the knowledge and the experience I get from this industrial training, I can carry on for my future career and implement at the workplace. Thank you so much, and thank you for my industrial supervisor and faculty supervisor for supporting me throughout this industrial training. And not to forget, thank you for Fujilam Industries Sandrian Berhad to take me to approve me to my industrial training at this factory. Thank you so much.